PIX2048 is the corresponding data layout for our rendering layout, what we did previously. This is our rendering layout where we have a 3x3 grid of hotels. We need a 3x3 grid of data within PIX2048. These are each 512 by 512 chunks of data that will be storing all of the tile map data for the different hotels. In more detail, we have broken this down and defined two variables, HDI for hotel data index and HDC for hotel data cell, the one-dimensional and two-dimensional ways to reference these different hotels within the data layout. And the data layout is stored in a 2048 by 2048 grid of pixels. Here's what we did in this video. And if you need a more detailed description, you can go to this playlist and look up video 158. You can get the source code here, and you can email me here. This has been video 158. Like and subscribe.